Hi friends and welcome to my channel. So today we are continuing our series. So we want to be able to take damage our vehicles. So before I start the tutorial, I want to say thank you so much for all your support because you keep this channel going. And with your support, I want to create more studio so I can provide you absolutely for free asset, animation, blueprints, and also my personal help full time, also completely free. So if you want to support us in this project, you only need to go to my coffee page and you can donate for just $1 if you want, or you can be a member too. So if you're a member, depending on your subscription, you're gonna have exclusive stuff. For example, exclusive video, access to the video before I publish, and also the project file from these tutorials. If you are a member already and you want to see all is available for you, you need to go to my YouTube page. Subscribe to my channel in the right top corner here. If you click here, they want to open a new list with all the stuff is already available. So this is gonna be the last update. I update this list almost every day. This is the video game my wife make. Is already available in Steam. So if you want to check this out, and this is gonna be a free stuff for everybody if you want to download it. And also this is the new videos added in the last update. So here gonna be all the exclusive videos, all unpublished tutorial videos, and English and Spanish, and also all unpublished game videos and the project files. So if you're a member, you only need to click in the links, so they're gonna open where these things are. So if you want to talk with me directly, you can go to my Discord channel. So if you go to my Discord channel, you can ask me for some requests for a video if you want, or I can help you in your project, a few things if you need it. And also if the tutorial is not working for you, I can show you a different way to make it maybe, or try to fix it why it's not working for you, or whatever you want to talk to me, you can do it from my Discord. For me, it's more easy to respond from the Discord to respond for the comments on YouTube. And also, if you want to talk with me privately as sponsorship, you have to write me to my email. My email and the links of Discord Coffee is gonna be in the description of these videos. Also remember that 100% of the money raised is gonna be for the creation of video game and for the YouTube channel. So thank you, and let's start the tutorial. So let's go to Unreal. So let's open it. And we have this array, so if we can play, we can pick up this weapon. Also we have this animation, locomotion, also we can aim up and down, and also we have this crosshair, and also we can shoot. But we need to add a lot of things here still in the shooting mechanic, but that's gonna be in another video, because today we want to take damage on these cars. So we want to be able, when every time we shoot this car, they wanna take damage and also destroy. So let's do that. So let's close this. So we need to find the pattern here. I don't remember. So the best way is click one of these car, go to edit blueprint, and you can do it here if you want. If you want to only one car have this system, if you have all the car have it, you need to find the parent. So I want to go here, BP vehicle. So let's find it, close this. So now we have here the parent. So let's open it here. So this is all stuff we make. So let's create a live system here. So let's create a new variable. So let's open this one. I want to say here vehicle health. You can call it like you like. I'm very bad with names, so that's why. So boolean, I want to change this to a float. So let's compile and save. And the maximum of this health, I want to be 1. That is how the float work. Just remember that they're gonna be from 0 to 1. So 0 they means nothing, and 1 they're gonna be full life. If it's 0.5, they're gonna be half a life. If you want to use this like integer, don't use it. The float is not working that way, because sometimes they give you errors. So it's better don't use floats for that. If you want to have life, for example, 100, you have 39, things like that, use integers, don't use float. So float only working from 0 to 1, so that's how they're supposed to work. So let's compile this and save. So now we have the life. So we want to create a function here to take damage. So we create this already, the main interface. So let's wanna use that one. So let's go here. Let's find that one. Gonna be GTA. Go to blueprints. Go to main interface. Let's open it. If we have two function right now, so we want to add a new one. So let's add a new one. I'm gonna call this take damage. You can call it how you like. I wanna leave it like that. So let's compile and save. So let's go. We can close this now. So go to BB vehicle. So you have to implement this. I already implemented because we're using a system already. But if you don't, you need to go to class settings. You add in here interface. You're gonna add it in here. I already added because we using this system before. So now let's call in here. So right click, equal take damage. So they're gonna be the event take damage. That is at the beginning. So let's do that. So we want to, every time they call this function, we want to take damage. So let's go vehicle health. Let's reduce. So let's subtract. Let's be something big for now for testing. So 0.5, they're gonna be fine, I think. So and we want to set this health. But before they set this health, we want to clamp it because we don't want to pass the 1, and also we don't want to go below 0. So from that, go from here, press clamp, float. So we want to be 0 to 1. So that's perfect. So let's connect this to here, and that's it. So let's compile and save. So let's test this out. So let's see here. So if this is only for testing, so if from here let's print a string. But before the string, so let's go here. So if this life is less, not less. So let's go. This life is less and equal to 0. We want to be a branch. We want to call this hello. So that means we have 0 life on below. So they're gonna be destroy the actor. So let's compile and save. So let's call this event. So for testing only. So let's go GTA, because you have to testing everything before you make your whole system, your full system. Because if something's not working, it's better to in the first step you already know it's not working. No, finish everything. You go crazy. Why this not working? So let's go character, DP character blueprint. So in here, let's go in from here for testing. So let's see keyboard. Okay, very bad, right? Okay, so keyboard. Let's put here some. Let's be C. So if I press C, I want to call the main interface. So main interface we want to call take damage. So let's call this. So that's it. And the target we want to be. So the target we want to call the car. So let's create something fast. So you can do it better. So let's delete this. So let's go to vehicle. So it's only for testing. So I don't know why I'm doing this. So then from here, let's go to the tick node. But that's for the why is it testing here. So let's drag this stuff because I want to do it from here. So let's do a sequence for now. And here we want to be a delay. So every 2 seconds I want to call take damage event and the target itself. So let's compile and save. So let's test this out. So let's go play. So now they're supposed to they go hello. So they destroy 8 times. So that's working. So let's delete this because because that's for testing. So let's go this here. So it's working, we can delete this stuff. So let's compile save. So now we have the life. So we want to call this only when they're shooting or hit something. But right now we only want to call this when we're shooting with our weapon. So let's do that. So let's go to the function of the shooting system. So let's close this. I believe it's in here. I don't remember correctly. So yes, in fire, we want to make this kind of sitting here. So let's go to out and hit. Let's split this because we want to need a lot of stuff here. So let's create here a branch here from return value. So let's go a branch. So if we hit something, they're gonna be from true. If we don't hit nothing, they're gonna be false. So a few things they're gonna work in the both ways. For example, if you're shooting, you want to sound your weapon, they wanna sound even if it's true or it's false. So you have to remember that. So right now we only when we hit something. So that's why we only use it true right now. So let's go that one. So if it's true, we want to, if we hit the actor, so here, but this actor does implement interface because I don't want to hit any actor, only when they have this interface. So we want to be the main interface. So if they have this main interface, we want to do something with him. So let's go branch. If it's true, we want to do this. So let's put this like that. So if it's true, we want to take damage from, they're gonna be from this actor. So from this actor, I'm gonna call take damage meshes. So let's go like here. So let's reroute this a little to look more professional. So let's do it like that. So compile and save. So that's it. So for testing, let's go to again to bilingual. Let's go to the sequence. I want to leave here a sequence so that we don't have to create this all the time. So in here, we want to get how we do that. So let's go to vehicle health. Let's go print string. So let's connect this to here, and health, they want to show us how health we have, and also the duration we want to be the delta time. So we have always showing what vehicle health have. Okay, so let's compile and save. So let's go play. So now let's pick up the weapon. So you can see in the left corner they have one. So they have two because maybe you want to ask him why they have two number ones, because we have two vehicles here. So that's why they're showing two this. If you have 10 vehicles, they're gonna show 10 numbers in there. So that's why. So okay, so let's go here. So now we want to shoot this car. So let's shoot it. So now we shoot. You can see they reduce 0.5, but they're only working in this car. In the other car, you can see is one already, because that means we don't have nothing to do with this car. So this car, when I shoot again, they're gonna be 0. If I shoot again, they don't do nothing because it's already 0. And the other one is 1. So this means they're working perfectly. So if I shoot again, it's gonna be 0.5. So if I shoot it again, they're 0.2. So now we are killing these cars. So let's do something more interesting with these cars. So when they go 0, do something. Because right now we don't know, they're doing nothing. So let's close this. So let's delete this because now we know this testing. So let's go this, compile and save. So let's go in here and detect damage. So we want to do something. I believe we don't have nothing, but let's check fast. So citizen vehicle. Let's see if we have something destroy. I believe we don't have nothing like that. So what is this? I don't know. So input material physics, no. I believe we don't have nothing. this? So, oh, it will take forever to check this stuff. Okay. Okay. Okay, so we can do something like that. So let's do that. So let's close this. So let's find this card. So edit blueprint. And yes, and here. So let's go to how we can do this. So I have to think first. Okay, so let's see. We can see the variable here. So let's go to an add in the right corner here. If you click here, they want to show inhibitor variable, so you can see the parent stuff. So let's open the variable. We want to be health. So if we have, so let's test this. So now let's do it another way. So let's close this because it's only for see if it's working or not. So let's close this. Let's go to the parent again. So let's go this one. So we want to, if the equal, if the life, let's do it. I don't know why I deleted it. So let's do subtract this. So if the life is 0, no, not that one. So let's less or equal to 0. Now it is. So let's go branch. So that means dead. So let's do that. So if it is dead, we want to create a new variable. They want to call this no, not that, they want to be destroy. So destroy. So let's set this to true. So if it's destroyed, I want to destroy it. So that's why. So that's destroy. So now let's go again and discard. So let's use the tick for testing only. Remember that. So if it's destroyed, so get. So if it is destroyed, we want to take. Let's see this. We can, or we can use this stuff. Okay, let's do a different way. So let's drag the wheels. So let's do that one, that one, that one, and that one. And let's see destroy component because we don't want this component anymore. So let's do it like this, and let's connect all this stuff here. So they're gonna destroy data. So we can see the stuff. For testing, like I said, and also we can make some kind of noise. I think we don't have it here, so let's go add. No, not here. So let's go add in here in content browser. So add filter or content pack. I want to choose content. I want to choose starting content. So let's go add it. So we have it here. So let's go some kind of sounds. I believe it's explosion. So let's do that. So let's go vehicle here. So spawn sound. You can be whatever you like. I want to be in location. The location we want, so they don't hear exactly in my screen. So I only where the asset is located. So let's go here, get actor location, and connect this to here. So that's where the sound they wanna be. So and let's put here explosion. They wanna sound probably very loud. So let's do that. Compile, save. Let's go play and let's test this. So let's pick up this and let's shoot the car. So they sound a lot of stuff because we're not supposed to delete this stuff. probably. So let's close this. And also we do a tick, so we only want to do this one time to don't sound too many times. So let's go here, do once. Sorry if they sound too strong, the sounds. Well, let's compound save. I still figure out how to edit these videos better, so I'm new on this stuff. So let's go play. I only know how to do Unreal. I don't know how to use YouTube yet. So let's do series. This guy again. One. Now it's Troy. So I know this effect is not really that great, but at least it's working. So now we know how to kill this stuff. And also if we do that, they don't do nothing because we don't create this system, this one. But it's already dead. So we want to create this system, we did that one and this one. So now if we close this, they don't give you that error anymore, because that means, because it's a tick node, they do it all the time. So when you destroy something one time, you can destroy it again because it's already destroyed. So that's why they give you that tick error here. But now it's fixed. We can do whatever we want with this, so you can add everything, effects, particle system probably. Let's go that one. So here's this particle system component. No, not that one. No, yes, I believe this one. So the particle, they're gonna be explosion. So transformation. So let's split this. I want to be in the actor location. So let's compound save. So let's text it. It's a little better. So let's see, doing shaders that one is lagging a little bit. So let's shoot this guy. 1, 2, 8. But they doing over there. So we have to fix that stuff. But it's working. So we can do anything we want in here, really. So that's cool. So let's fix that. They don't look good that way. So let's close this. So let's be spawn immediate and location. I think it's that one. So let's connect this to here. So compound safe. Let's try. So let's shoot this guy. Hey, it's too small. So let's do it a little more bigger here. So let's go on a scale of 5 maybe. So let's put 5 here. Why? Okay. So let's compound save to look a little better. So let's pick out that weapon, kill this guy. Hey, now it's dead. So now it destroy everything. So that's working. So now you know how to destroy that one. And also we can add physics here, so they go down to hit the floor or things like that, or they go fly in the air or whatever we want. It's a police car, so we can do whatever we want with this. So that's cool. So that's it for this video. So now you know how to kill these cars. So you can do the same system to the other one. So they're gonna working really great. So that's gonna be it. So if you want to support us and create that small studio, so we can provide you absolutely for free asset, animation, blueprint, and also my personal help for full-time, completely free. You only need to support us in coffee. So like I said before, thank you for watching. I see you in the next video. So bye bye.